Rebound again, grab the big rebound. Pass again to number 27, the point Kapalar. As number 27, Kapalar again, looking for a cut to Ribano. Rebound to Kapalar. Kapalar again, number 27, elect to shoot. And again, Tiger Seed in the fourth serve plus by Reclusion. Print to back. And again, inside game. Again, taken by Ribano. Pass it to Kapalar. And Kapalar almost lost the ball, and Kapalar is hounded by Robles to number 22. Pass again to number 27. Number 27 rebel pass to Ribano. Solieta elect to shoot, and again taken back by Dumantay. And number 15 fake, and a good throw inside by, of course, that is Dumantay for the second shot by Dumantay on 6th run by the Presto Pack. First foul on the first of the team, where again Robles. Robles looking for his number 02, and again 02 missing the first check, first strike, and again 02 pick up by number 30 fake, and a foul addressed to number 22. Ilan na siya? Second foul on the second of the team. Morales out. And we have Kalisos in. Kalisod by. Kalisod, di asa Saudi Arabia, sabi ni Kaliski sa Facebook. Ano yung Kalisod by? Hindi ko alam. Kapalar! Pass again to number 7. And a good shooter by number 7 again. Press from the bench. Kaliskis. Score, Roel. Mga kaibigan, si Rolando Robles. Pass to Conrad Ang. Conrad Ang missing shot. Taken by Dumantay again. Lead pass to number 7. Pass alone to Kapalar. And wala. Miss put back. Wala pa rin. And rebound again by 02. And the closure. With fake. 34. And Urbano by 2. Pumayat si Jun. Sir Urbano. Losing poundage on his body to play a good game. Pass again inside, Dumantay, wala, rebound, and again, there is a foul committed by, of course, he will go to the Julieta. Foul addressed to Lucky 13. First foul on the first of the team, 7 minutes and 11 seconds, 2-8 ang score natin mga kaibigan. Well again, Solieta, Don Solieta, ang teleserye hanggang andoon sa Italy si Cuco Martin at saka si Don Solieta. Yun ang teleserye na ginaganap ni Cuco Martin at na mag-ina at si Don Solieta. Tebay, Dumantay! Pass it to, undeflected by Sergio, taken by number 24. A quick game for the two squad, mga kaibigan. Where again, pass again to number 26, Kapalar. Kapalar, pass it to Ruel fake. And the ball will bounce inside, score 8-11 to score natin mga kaibigan in favor of course, that is print to pack levels. Robles for 3, wala. One more try, 25, pass to Urbano June. And again, Mr. Muhammad. Good evening, Mr. Muhammad. He is the best player. Win the roll. Wala mga kaibigan, taken by 24, Robles. What happened to the boys of Brave? As number 25, spin, Conrad Ang. Wala. And the ball will score. How about Alamudi closure mga kaibigan?